This is how we got 2348 back. Turbo loose. Up pipe been taken off, bolts missing. Breather valve cover, tubes missing. Intake manifold just laid on there, not even bolted back down. All the hardware for the intake manifold and coolant passages missing. Coolant tube just sitting on top. PCV valve system completely removed and missing. Coolant passage is supposed to be down there, connected, missing bolts for that. All the coolant lines are missing from the throttle body to the coolant passage. Reservoir missing. Timing covers have been removed.